Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video on forex like this. So guys, for some of you, those of you that have watched my previous video, my weekend analysis that I analyzed on Friday, so I analyzed a lot about the GBPUSD and EURUSD, the direction. So basically on this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be analyzing the EURJPY and GBPJPY, what we will be expecting. Although I'm in a position on GBPUSD, I took 3 trades today, and these 3 trades, one hit SL and one I close and break even. Today trade I over leverage a little bit. I normally risk 2% of my account, but this other trade I risked almost 4% of the account because it was on a New York session, and I thought volatility is going to come into the market, and I'm gonna take some pips out, but the market reversed against my direction. But you don't have to panic. That's just how the market is. So I don't want to take much of your time. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, this is the trade that is currently running now. I took 3 positions, I told you guys, and I have 1 position still running, and this position I think I'm going to be flipping it. Sorry, I'm going to be swinging it till tomorrow. So let's see. The Euro USD, we made an analysis on the pair that this pair probably might want to drop. Right now, let's go to the daily time frame where we made this analysis. Now, looking at the daily time frame, you can see we had a level here which I paid close attention to. Is a very significant point, and it's the point that I told you guys we had to pay close attention to this point. You can see I made an analysis, and I believe price getting up to this point. If price get to this level, it should be dropping down. It should be dropping down like hell. I told you guys about the triple top if price gets here. So we are still expecting price to come here. And remember, I also told you guys that price getting up to this point, it have to create a lot of structures because price is not going to just easily get to this point. So there's a candlestick pattern that is being created here, which is a head and shoulder pattern, but a stronger head and shoulder pattern, an M pattern, head and shoulder. So that being said, not much analysis on this. Scale to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the consolidation around this point. So on Euro USD, I'm looking for something here now. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame, so I'll show you what I'm looking at for on Euro USD. There's a flag here, a candlestick pattern, which is a flag. Price create a flag here, so I'm looking out for price to break this point, retest, then we sell to the downside. So if this market break and retest at London session, we'll sell. If it retests the New York session, then I think it's going to be better for us. So that's just it for your USD. I'm waiting for price to break, retest, we sell, or break above, retest, we buy. So this is what I'm looking at for on Euro USD. So sharply, let's go to GBPUSD. Let me just want to do some quick recap. I'm already in a trade here. You can see I'm on a trade already on GBP USD, and the reason why I go into this position and I want to swing this trade, although I did a sell in the morning London section when I took this trade on GBPUSD, which what I did was I sold from this point. And price came take me out, and it is what it is. So now I saw price coming back again to break this point, and the more reason why I'm taking this trade, because there have been a lot of rejection at this level. So price coming to this point, coming back again, breaking this level, I believe it's going to drop to the downside. So I'm targeting this point. You can see it is where I'm targeting TP. So guys, this is just all for GBPUSD and EURUSD talk. Now let's go to the main reason why I'm making this video, guys. This is GBPJPY, and for some of you that have been following me for a very long time, you will know that GBPJPY is one of the best pair that I love trading. So the reason why I had EURJPY is because they are always in like they move together. So I use EURJPY as confluence. Then if I want to take position on EURJPY, I will use GBPJPY as confluence. So I don't like taking trade in on the two pair. Like GBPJPY, if I took buy on GBPJPY, I'm not going to take buy on EURJPY. I'm just going to leave one pair to be running. So I don't like complicating myself and putting myself in a tight corner, because if you know EURJPY and GBPJPY, for the amount of time I've been trading this pair, I realized that EURJPY is some kind of a little bit faster than GBPJPY. So but GBPJPY always also have its own time when it's volatile, you get. And one reason why I love GBPJPY is because there are a lot of price action, zones where price respect a lot. So that's all. So now going to the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, looking at the trend right now, you can see the EURJPY just came from a bullish trend, right? From a bullish trend. So we are seeing this as price trying to we are going up. We are going up, guys. I think we should be going up. We should be going down from here. This is a strong support level, so probably price might break here, retest we saw, or price might just react to this point to get to this point here. So anything can happen in the forex market. Just have that in the back of your mind. So now going to the 4-hour time frame, you can see price have already break this level after giving us this channel line here. This is a channel line, price greater. This is a channel line, and after price greater this channel line, you can see a drop down. And one thing about this pattern is that whenever price create a pattern like this, there are higher possibility that the market is likely to break. Whenever the price is giving us this to the upside, there are higher possibility that the market is going to drop down. You can see the same thing happen here. Price was trending to the upside and break. Price is trending to the upside and break. So always, whenever you see this in the market on your chart, always know that it's a retracement. It's just a little retracement. The market is probably going to break and continue to either the upside or the downside, whatever way you're analyzing your chart. So that being said, I'm seeing a possible pull to the downside at this point, but GBPJPY is not the kind of pair you trade when it's not its section. Now we are done with the London section. We are not even entering the Asian section, so I think there's no need of taking any trade on this pair. On GBPJPY, the best time to take it is either Asian section or London section. You can't take it in any other section because it's gonna frustrate you. I tell you, it's gonna really frustrate you. So now that being said, on GBPJPY, just to save time, I'm not gonna make much analysis. So if you have not watched my previous video, I want you to go back to my previous video. Go back to my previous video and watch it. I made some pretty good analysis on this on Euro. Okay, that was on GBUSD and EURUSD, so I made some pretty good analysis. So this video basically is for our how to look for GBPJPY and EURJPY. So I'm not making a full analysis on this. So there's someone commented on my video and says that I should make a video on my entry strategy. So although I've already made an entry strategy, that is part of my entry strategy, I made a video. It's going to help you to as a confirmation before you go into any trade you want to go in. So go watch that video. You're going to see one of my video where I title it my entry strategy. So just go there, my confirmation strategy. Go there, watch the video and also gain knowledge. It's really going to help you. So probably in my next video or my next video, I'm going to make a video on how to enter every trade in the right way you get. So that's just it. Now guys, you're done with GBPJPY. Now let's rush up to EURJPY. Now looking at EURJPY, I think the chart is a little bit seeing a very nice price action here. Very nice price. So let's go up to the daily time frame. Now from the daily time frame here, you can see that the price almost the same thing. They're almost the same thing on GBPJPY and EURJPY. They are always almost the same. Like everything that happened in the EURJPY is always happening in the GBPJPY. Something you just have to know. This is just a secret, but I just have to let you know. I'm giving out this secret for free. Now, whenever you're analyzing GBPJPY and you feel that you want to buy and it keeps giving you a signal for a buy, what you should do is that you should go and get the EURJPY chart. Go and check the EURJPY chart. Look at what the EURJPY is telling you. If the EURJPY is telling you to buy, then no, definitely the market on GBPJPY is really going to buy. Because one thing I realized that EURJPY, I think, moves faster than the GBPJPY. So before anything should happen on GBPJPY, it's already signaled in the EURJPY. So that is more reason why I love using EURJPY as a confluence to my entry. I take more position on GBPJPY than EURJPY. So I know what I'm saying. So now going to the 4-hour time frame here, we know pretty much from the 4-hour time frame the market is giving us this bearish vibe. Wow, very nice bearish vibe here. So whatever you're going to be doing, you'll be looking for opportunity for a drop. But just one thing is possible, which is the market might do anything. Now the reason why I believe the market might drop on this EURJPY is this. Now looking at this level was a very strong level from the higher time frame. This 173.71, it was a very strong level, and price are finally break below this point. What do you think is going to happen? Price is just going to probably retest and drop. So but the reason I'm not going to advise you to take any position here at the Asian section or even the London section either, because why? For price to make any kind of push up from here, because we have a demand zone here, we have a demand zone around this point. So for price to actually push down, breaking this demand zone here, we have to be in a volatile section like the New York session. So the New York session actually always affects this EURJPY as well, even though EURJPY doesn't have any. The US dollar controls is the major pair, so whatever happening to the US dollar affects every other pair somewhere, and somewhere. It must affect every other pair. So for that reason, this kind of move, you always want to trade it when the market is highly volatile. You don't want to trade it when it's just moving slowly. So for that, we believe market is going to drop. So for that reason, I'm not going to, even though I've already made analysis here, I'm not going to take any position at this point, because this point is an area to be careful of. You have to be careful about this point because we have a demand zone here. Although we know that the supplies are in control, but this level is a higher time frame level. It's a very strong one, so you just have to be very careful when taking a position here. So if I want to take a position here, I've told you guys it's going to be on the New York session. So guys, let's go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see clearly what I'm talking about. Looking at this point here, price retracement, you can see this pattern. Guys, look at this pattern. I always want to utilize this pattern a lot. I actually missed this opportunity at New York session. I missed this opportunity because I was too focused on GBPUSD. I don't know what's wrong with me. I was just too focused on GBPUSD. I think it's high time I just get rid of those pairs. GBPUSD just did me bad thing today. GBPUSD really for my hand. I don't believe GBPUSD could do that to me. I just see my pity because I've been trading GBPJPY all my time. I just let me just try GBPUSD and GBPUSD eats my hair cell. It's crazy. So well, I'm not gonna talk much. Let's just leave that one for God. It's always what happened. The market always want to do things like that, and today is Monday. There's not always a clear trend for you to trade. So this is the reason why I missed this trade. Now looking at this, price created a flag here, and this was a channel line which price was a little bit consolidating around this flag. Now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame so you can see the consolidation clearly. You can see price pop and break below. So this is the point where I would have entered this trade. I would have entered a sell at this point. This happened at the New York session, which if I had entered at this point, it would have given me a very nice peep to the downside. I think it would have given me up to, from here to this point, I would have gotten up to, I think 130 points from this point here. But it is what it is, guys. This is all I have for you today on this video. So I'm gonna be making a video on my entry strategy, more video on my entry strategy, a video that you don't wanna miss. And as well, I'm gonna be making a video on how I analyze from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. I'm gonna be cleaning up my chart on that video. I'm gonna be analyzing everything from the beginning to the end. So there are a lot of things you're going to be gaining on this channel. Like you're missing out. If you have not subscribed, you're really missing out. If you have not subscribed, I'm telling you, you're missing out because gosh, my Telegram channel is also linked to this channel description. Just go to the description there, you're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. You will realize that you're really missing. People are making money with my signals. Like, what are you doing? Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, like, share. What are you doing? To subscribe doesn't require you to pay any money, just something you just click on the subscription button and that's just it, and you are done. How am I going to say this? Well guys, this is all I have for you guys. It is Sanguine FX and I'm signing out.